So now, Rosie, could you take us like through the house, like a walkthrough kind of, to show us what was done for this project?
When we did this project, there was a wall here. It was a very narrow area here, like a hallway. So we opened the wall and to make it more flow with the living room. So we made the counter here, we put a flat top, so to make more space, because this is a very small kitchen. So we had to kind of rearrange everything. We wanted them to have their own wash and dryer, so we made the connections here to have wash and dryer. We made a sink, and we put the microwave, so they have everything they need in this little space. Something that we did in the bathroom was really destroyed. So we made the bathroom, put tile, we painted the tub, but in the bathroom we put shelves and stuff in here to make it so they have everything they need in here. We have piping, but the bathroom looks beautiful now. Because this house has a short roof, so we couldn't get the pipes inside, so we put them outside, which they were already like that, but they were not completely fixed. This project was easy. We put a brand new air conditioner in here. And in the bedrooms, all we did was to fix the ceilings because they were falling apart too. We did the flooring, just main stuff, nothing major. In the rooms, the main thing that most of the money went into the kitchen. This is the second room. Also, all we did was paint it, make sure this roof we fixed completely. We removed it because it was not even, so we went ahead and fixed the whole thing. Painted the walls, textured the walls. They were pretty beat up. And this one, the first one was a little difficult, kind of figure it out. But once we moved to the second one, we already knew what we were gonna do. So it went pretty quick.
So Rosie, you finished this project in 1 month and a half, like 6 weeks roughly. This is amazing. Are you guys, like your team is always working that fast?
We tried. I mean, that's what I try to sell to my clients, that because when you work with investors, that's the main thing that they're looking. They want their project to be done because they have loans and they have things that they have to take care of. So time is the key for my business, or that's what I sell to my clients. Like I say, I always try to give a little more time. My plan was to do it in a month, but because of the things that happen, I just try to give people more time than what I expected to finish the project. It depends on how tied up I am with other projects, but I try not to tie up myself with too many projects.
So how many projects are you running right now?
Right now we're running 5 projects. Yes, yes. But they're all at different stages, so I have people that are moving around because I can't have everybody on one project at the same time. So I spread them around, but it's harder, keep everybody in line and buying everything, but it's doable.
Okay, let's talk about pricing. My estimation for rehab of this duplex was roughly $60,000. Again, it's 2 units, 2 kitchens, 2 AC, 2 water heaters. So, did we fit the budget?
We were really close. I mean, I always tell my clients, I always put miscellaneous on my budget because I always want to have a little cushion because there's always something. Right. You give an estimate and it's never one price. It's never end with that price. But estimate at least 10% more than what I put in there, even with the cushion I put in there, because things happen and we are dealing with old houses and they have problems, they have issues. And this house, I was able to keep it pretty close to the budget because this house had double everything, double the kitchen, double the bathroom. But I think we did pretty good, even though the problems we encountered and also not only the problems we encountered, but also the materials we bought and in the condition we had the house was in.
I would also say that every investor is different, the way they work with a contractor. My investor was so happy with Rosie because he really liked the hand-off projects. So he wanted his contractor to handle everything And Rosie was really on the top of it, sending the videos and what's going on with the properties. So how do you usually handle this kind of connection with your investors?
Well, I work with a lot of investors. I'm in the business of making your life easier. So how I do it, however you want to do it, I do it. If you want to be hands-on and be here and buy materials, perfect for me, you know, you can buy materials. But if you tell me, Rosie, all I want you to do is, here's the money, tell me how much, you do the project, you choose everything, I'll do that. And then if you want to be hands-on and buy your own materials and be in the project, but I try to keep my clients on the loop of what's going on, because I feel I'm also an investor, and when I'm doing a project, I want to know what's going on in there. I want to know how's the progress, how you doing, because I keep you excited. I want you to give me the check, you know, and be happy. So, because I have to show you progress so we can move on with the draws and you can, you know, pay my dues on time because I'm moving along and I'm doing my job on time.
Awesome.